Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS killer car, guys. I apologize, you can see it's getting dark. Been trying to get away to get this thing shot, and the day's just gotten away from us, and now the daylight's gone away. But I'm going to go ahead and shoot the video because we have snow coming in tonight, so we won't be able to take it down the road tomorrow. So we'll just get this video done, and then I'll post the pictures for the car tomorrow. That way we can do it in the daylight where you can get a better look at the car. But neat car. It's out of Georgia. Car was restored about 12 years ago. It's had a body-up restoration. It is not a frame-off restoration. Factory color combination. It's got the classic white with the black SS stripes. It's got the red interior. Healthy 396, guys. It's got a Lunati roller camshaft in it. It runs strong. I was impressed by the way this thing drove. Again, a little bit of an older restoration, still very nice. That's just a little dirt there. I apologize. We've been rushing around, and then everybody's been out mop-on this thing. So, hood pins. It does have the operable cowl induction hood as well. Chrome and stainless is very nice. Good looking car. You can see the glass is nice on the car. Dual chrome mirrors. Again, this is a factory code 10 classic white car. I love the red interior. That is super cool. This car's got a great look with the black stripes, the white, and that red interior. Car's out of Georgia. Again, it was restored about 12 years ago. The only reason they said the gentleman sold it, I guess he got a real LS6 car, so he sold this one. Uniroyal Tiger Paw is all the way around at 255/60s, so it's got some meats on it. It also has the 15-inch chrome SS rallies. Good looking car, man. These 70s, golly, they have just always been hot. Everybody loves a 70. It's not a matching numbers car. It is a 396 block. It's a factory 3¼ horse block, but now they say it's actually built to 375 horse. Holley dual feed 4-barrel, Offenhauser aluminum intake. It's got a set of hooker headers on it. Again, Lunati, roller camshaft in it, power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got vintage AC. It has a 700 R4 automatic overdrive transmission in it. It's got the big block radiator with the shroud, chrome air cleaner and valve covers. Of course, it's got the flapper hood or functional cowl hood. Yeah, I like this car, man. This car has a great look to it. Really cool color combination. It's different. Paint there. The hood does work. It's functional. Dual chrome mirrors. Looks like new door handles, new door seals. Door seams are nice and clean. Love that red interior, man. It just pops. Factory bucket seats, center console with the factory staple shifter. tilt column, SS wheel, showing 86,000. Factory tach gauges. It's got the vintage AC controller. It's got an aftermarket sound system. Your oil pressure gauge is mounted underneath. Again, 700 R4 automatic overdrive transmission, Flowmaster dual exhaust. It is a 12-bolt, 331 limited slip rear axle. It does have the rear sway bar with the box control arms, like it should. It's all spackle coated in here. It does have a spare original owner's manual. These are there's some receipts in there for the resto. That color combo is cool, man. I dig it. Not overdone. Again, it was not a frame off. It was a body up. But definitely clean under there. We are stressing to folks right now, please, if you're looking at a car at Southern Motors, pick up the phone and call us. A lot of scams out there right now. We have people who have, well, I've sent you a deposit. It's not us. I'm telling you, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. We will not take a deposit through an email. We talk to people on the phone. That's a good looking car. Healthy big block, guys. This thing runs out strong. Left arm, it's getting better. Gotta get Eddie out of the way there. I'm faster than you, Ed. That's a good looking car. Those 70s, man. I've been doing this since I'm 17 years old, man. And people just love these things. Your lights and everything work in there. I think the only thing that doesn't work in there is a clock. Everything else works. Everything opens and closes nice. Great sound. And this one scoots, guys. It will torch those tires. We got power. We just got to get figure out. Oh, you just got to get a station. You're at. That's not a RV. It's got power. We know the blower motor and everything lights up. No. Somehow you scroll for a station. Yeah, I can hear it. It's definitely working. I'm not the best. He's way better at those radios than me. Oh, turn them back on. I might have missed the headlights. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram, our Facebook page, our TikTok page. Definitely subscribe to this YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us.